What's up, everybody? As you know, we've been freshening up this 2023 Honda CRF450RWE. Got all kinds of stuff we've been doing to it. So check out the previous videos. You'll see a thumbnail link that pops up at the end of this one. That'll send you to the playlist of what we've been doing to this fine bike. If you're not aware of a product called Pro Seal, this is an air filter gasket, basically. I mean, you know, in the old days, a lot of people would take their air filter and actually put grease around the rim of it. I mean, talk about a mess. I mean, I guess it's fine, but that's pretty messy in my opinion. So I prefer this product called Pro Seal. And for this particular bike, see where it goes, is this basically this foam gasket that lays on the on the base of the airbox, and then when your air filter is buckled in place, there's no chance of a gap anywhere between that and the base of the inlet, the air inlet. So I just want to show you all what it looks like. It's very easy to install. Some tips for you: make sure your airbox is squeaky clean. Make sure you use some sort of degreaser or contact cleaner or something. Make sure you clean everything off thoroughly and let it dry before you try to apply this. Otherwise, it won't stick very well because there's some adhesive on it and it sticks, to that rim of the inlet. Anyway, and then the Honda has its funky looking air filter. If you haven't seen this is what the Honda CRF model's air filter looks like. Look at this cage and everything. Very bizarre looking, but it'll go in just like that. And then this base right here will press up against this gasket, and it should not have any leaks whatsoever. And I like to, on these 4-strokes, that come with these backfire screens, flame screens they're sometimes called. I think they're also called horsepower screens because that's a pretty tight weave of mesh right there, and you're definitely going to restrict airflow going into the airbox. This thing is usually like right in here. Me no likey. I want all the airflow I can get going through the airbox, so that thing gets taken out. For me, you can do however you want. It's just screwed into the top up there, so you need like a really short Phillips head screwdriver. Or I found the easiest way is to mount a Phillips head bit on your little 1/4-inch ratchet, because there's not much room to work with in there if you're trying to remove the screw that holds it in place. Anyway, that's up to you if you want to do it. But yeah, just wanted to show you all what it looks like. Pro Seal. I'll put a link down below where you can get it on Amazon. But most any motorcycle shop can get them. Just make sure you search for your year, make, and model because they are specific, depending on what bike you have. Anywho, yeah, this thing, check it out. This bike doesn't have much time on it, but I just wanted to freshen it up and make it look beautiful. So we've done all kinds of things: plastic graphics, disc guard, underneath fork guard, new chain. We're about to do new tires. Just all kind of stuff. New grips just went on. Some Renthal Kevlars, one of my favorite kind of grips. Just put those on. It's a sharp. The new Hondas now have hydraulic clutch, which is fantastic. The Works model has upgraded forks, which are better. Look at the nitride coated fork sliders. I mean, talk about smooth. They are a lot slicker than standard fork legs. Comes with the Yoshimura Works RS12. That alone is a good $1,500 if you try to buy it separately. Comes with the Hinson clutch internals as well as clutch cover. DID Dirt Star LTXs on the rims. Pretty sweet bike. So yeah, check out the videos about this bike and all kinds of other stuff. We're always up to something around here. So y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all later. Look through the description for our social media links and our Amazon store, eBay store links as well. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you later.